So today I explored a text to video AI I just got to know about. It's actually a fantastic one. I'm going to do a longer video on how to use that AI for free. This is actually a video generated by that AI. I simply entered a prompt, uploaded this image which was given generated by Meta AI, and it gave me this video. You can see the video. Exactly what I wanted. So I'm going to do two things to this video. If you look at the video very well, the video has the watermark of the text to video AI I used on it because I used the free version. I didn't pay because the AI actually gives enough free generation for the day. You can actually generate as much as 10 videos per day with the free version. So for now, I don't really need to pay. In this my 60 days AI experience vlog, I'm still going to make a video talking about the AI, how I use it, how you can explore it and take advantage of the free coins. So for now, I'm going to do two things about this video. The first thing I'm going to do is to cover the watermark. Then the second thing is I need to get different scenes from this video. My audio is 51 seconds long, and because this video is just 8 seconds, it can cover for my entire audio. And I really want to use this video and get all my scenes from it. I don't want to add another video to it. I don't want to make it reduce the speed. I just want this video. So right now I'm going to go to my InShot video editing app and get the different scenes and then cover the watermarks. So this is my InShot video editor. Now I'm going to bring in the video. That's the 8 seconds long video my AI generated for me. This is it. So I clicked on it and this is it. So right now I'm going to bring in my audio. You can see it's already saved in my gallery in video form, which I'm going to extract. You can see extract audio. I'm going to click on that. So right now I'm going to crop the video into, I want to use this video for a YouTube short. I know the YouTube short dimension is 9 to 16 inches. So I'm going to crop it now to that. I'm going to select 9 to 16. You can see. So you can see the way I'm cropping it. Right now I crop it to show only Jesus standing at the center with the crowd behind him showing. So I'm going to click OK. So this is it. You can see this purple line actually shows the length of my audio. Like I said, my audio is 51 seconds and this video is just 8 seconds. So I need more video, else my audio is going to be cut off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in the same video again because like I said, what I'm trying to do is get different scenes from this particular video because that is what I want to do. I don't want any other video. I just want this particular video. So now I'm going to go ahead and bring in the video again, the same 8 seconds, and this time around I'll crop again, but this time around I'm going to crop a different part of the video. So I'm going to shift it to the left. That's the left. You can see. Click OK. You can see it's still not as long as my 51 seconds audio, so I'm going to bring it back in, and then crop again. I'll crop it this time around to show the right part of the video, right side of the video. So you can see, okay, I still need more, so I'll bring it in again, and then this time around I would crop. I'm going to crop to the left, but cropping to the left, I'm not going to shift it as far as I did the second time. So I'll click OK. I still need more. You can see this purple line still indicates I still have my audio there without video, else it's going to be cut, trimmed off. So I'm going to bring it back in again. Like I said, I'm trying to get multiple scenes from just a single video. So that's the aim of this whole thing. So I'm going to crop it again and then crop it 9:16. This time around I'm going to shift it to the left again, but to the right again, but not as far as I did the other time. So you can see I'll click OK. I still need more, so I'll still bring it in I hope this is the last time I have to bring it in. So this time I'm going to crop it again, and then this time let me show a little bit of, let me just add this woman's face, part of her face to it, and I click OK. So you can see I have little, I don't know if this recording is clear enough for you to see the purple line in the showing my audio. So I need just very little now to cover up for this audio so my audio doesn't get trimmed off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reduce the speed of this last video. On a normal day, sometimes when I make videos like this, I reduce the speed. You know, when you reduce the speed, the video plays slower and then it makes it longer. But in this case, I didn't want to do that initially, but because I need just little video to fill up this audio space, I'm going to do that with my last video. So this is speed. If you are using InShot, this is speed. If you are not using InShot, however you reduce speed in your whatever editor you are using, you do it. So with InShot, if you want to reduce the speed, you move it backward. So this is 94, 96, 93, 92. This is 90. Let's see if 90 will cover. 90. No, I still have little left to cover. So I will just go back now and then reduce it to 80. So it's going to be playing at the speed of, use 80. Let's see. Oh, 80 is just the exact speed I need. So you can see now I don't have an excess from my audio that needs to be covered with a video. So let's see what we have. This is going to play normal right now because the speed is just the way it was generated. You can see, if I like, I can add, this is the second scene, the second one I cropped to the left. So if I want, I can actually add animations to the way the new scenes are displayed, you know. So you can see this is the third one, there's the fourth one. You can see everything is actually different and unique in its own way. So this is it, and this is the other one. I want it to get to the slow one, the one I reduce the speed for. Okay, this is it. So you can see it's actually slower than every other video, but it's not still bad for a YouTube short. So you can do that to your video, and that's what we got. So the next thing we are going to do is, if you check this bottom, you're going to see the watermark obviously showing there, and I know YouTube doesn't like watermarked video. So I'm going to go ahead to cover this watermark by just covering it with a text. So I'm going to type, you can type anything, you can type your channel name. Assuming it was at the top, I would have just simply typed my channel name, but this time around is below. If I were to add a caption to this video, I would have used that to cover the watermark, but in this case I don't want to add caption to it. I just want it to play on its own. So I'm just going to go ahead and type something. Let's say God's word. You can see, so the God's word, I'm going to make sure the label under is a dark color that can cover the watermark. So I'm going to shift it downward. You can see, you can reduce it a little bit if it's too big, but just make sure it covers the watermark. So this is it. So what I'm going to do now, if you play it, you see that it's not going to cover it to the end of the video. So we will simply drag this right up to the end of the video. You drag it to the end of the video so as to have it cover the watermark to the end, and that's basically it. So if we go back now and play this video, you're going to see that it's playing normal. I reduced the volume of the audio so it doesn't interfere with my voiceover. So you can see the watermark is no longer there. Everything is playing as it should be, and that is it. So thanks for watching my day 3 AI experience vlog. I hope to see you in my next one. Thank you.